Oh, hello folks. How's it going? So where are we off to today? Well, we've just left the motorway, the M90, and I don't know if we're on it, but we're going to be in the, I think it's, I'll put it up on the screen, but I think it's the A823, either at the moment or about to turn onto it, whereupon we'll go up past Knockhill racing circuit, and our ultimate goal today is we're going to Rannoch Station. It'll take us right around Loch Rannoch, on the side of Loch Rannoch. It should be a fun day out. I've been up there once before with a group for the PMC, People's Motorcycle Plan, and I've not been up myself. And I did plan a route there, and then we went there as a group, which was great. I just thought I'd head back that way myself. We've just brought more restrictions in, which means if you abide by them, group riding's almost dead. Maximum of 6 people with no more than 2 households. It means you're pretty much riding with one other if you want to abide by the rules, or you're on your own. Yeah. So the A823. Often has its own weather system up here, so although it is supposed to be a clear and sunny day, anything could happen up here at Knockhill because it really is right at the top of a hill. But as ever in these times, we've got a part lunch with us and a bottle of water. And there is a little tea room at Rannoch Station. I'll be honest with you, I'm not expecting it to be opened. If it is, it might be nice to get a wee coffee. Yeah, look over there. Where we're going. Different weather system. Get a good view of the circuit there. Not that the Dizio show it up. Too far away. Years ago I used to be up here quite regular, because we did some driver training up here. We used to come up and do reversing courses and manoeuvring and things like that. See bits of the course there. Most of it's hidden. So all you'll see, nice, look at the cloud here. We're in a cloud, yep. I just stopped at the side of the road there when I was putting the cameras on and things. And, there's a whole pile of bikes came by, 2 or 3 different groups. Well, I'm sure they're all one extended family. To be fair, I don't think the restrictions come in. I don't know if they come in, if they're in now or they come in on Monday. The PMC's got a couple of ride outs today. Different people with different ways, but I just thought I'd stick with my own show, just in case. Normally it's the most amazing view up here, but not today. You get a view right down over the Forth Valley and over the Forth itself. It's just cracking. I thought it would have been such a nice day, it would be a good view for here, but See, having its own weather system. Should come down out of it as we come to Pow Mill, so it should be helpful. We'll see a little bit more, but stunning view I was hoping to get and share with you. Rumbling Bridge. This must be the Bridge of Rumbling Fame, one would assume. Don't ask me if it rumbles. I'm assuming it's based on a bridge that used to rumble. Don't really know. Big fancy houses there, huh? Yeah. Wild animals. There's a dead wild animal. Young deer. Oh, shame. Beautiful day, and it's supposed to be like this all day. A bit colder today. This morning was felt really cold. It wasn't massive, it wasn't like minus anything. It's like 5 or 6 degrees at the house, which is a bit of a culture shock if you've been used to these higher temperatures we've had lately. It's supposed to be a positively balmy 16 or 17 degrees. Should be good. Yet so muckered. Then there's a lot. Popping it into neutral. Eh? This is why going this way. I think it's the B934, I'm not sure. So this is a new road because normally go up through Glendevon. Perth and Kinross, the heart of Scotland, so it says. Isn't this lovely? Oh, it's not the camping down there. Look at that. Oh, not today. It's not closed today, that's the main thing. Oh, this is a wee gem. Look at this. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. Laden with pine cones, look at them. Ah. Change, look at this. Perthshire. So this is actual Glen-Devon. I thought the other one was Glen-Devon that the road went through. Just the whole bit's called Glen-Devon or something. Beautiful spot for a house. Big house is mine. Nice. Loads of money. Beautiful. Not the best surface in places. What we're looking at here. It just looks a bit suspect. It's different. Excuse me. This is reet rural, man, reet rural. Brother. Seen a Highlander up here, yeah, thanks. There can be only one. What a strange film that. Frenchman's playing a Scotsman. A Scotsman playing a Spaniard. Yeah. Something wrong there. Good movie, like, but yeah. You don't see these signs very often anymore. Series of bends. Usually it's the double bend with the plate for how long the hazard lasts. Quite rare now. Usually, to be fair, in places like this that aren't that well driven, shall we say. Oh wow. Get a wee hint of what I'd be seeing there. Cut forest with the looks of it. Green Hill Farm. I think we eventually come on to the A85 eventually for a short spell, which is the one, is it the 84? Well, I'm not sure. It's the one that would normally take if we took the motorway all the way up to Stirling. I think it's the A84, right? We'll eventually come on to that for a short time, and it's lovely. It's a bit better, we can see something now.